What's up, everyone? My name is Sean, and this is Sean Stocks. Today, we're going to be going over Clove, C-L-O-V, and its momentum for the day. Holy crap. It was a crazy day out there on the trading floor, right? We had a stock rush all the way up from $7.08 all the way up after hours, going to $7 and at one point 50 cents, 56 cents, right? And when I saw that, I was like, where is this momentum coming from? And, you look at the volume for the day is only 8 million, 8.08 million. And you're like, well, that has to be higher than usual, right? So I checked out the average volume of the day. And Yahoo Finance is saying that it's usually 23 million, right? So it was kind of interesting that we had a 6.74% increase on a day we had about one third or so of the volume that we usually have with this stock. And so when you're looking at that, you're like, okay, but why, right? There must be something in the news. There must be something going on. There's not really anything going on in the news. So it really is just a naturally bullish day, right? If you look at the chart here, you can see that for most of the day, the stock was above the VWAP here for the entire chart. It's really at the tail end there of the day and at the beginning that it may have went a little bit underneath it, right? But you can see throughout the entire day, it was really just bullish, right? And to me, that's incredible, right? You really want to be able to look at this and think, holy cow, maybe this stock is moving, maybe this stock is going somewhere, maybe we'll be seeing higher and higher numbers as the week goes on soon. And so going back to the previous days we have here on Monday and Tuesday, there's really not a lot of indicators that it could go on, right? If you look on Monday, you can see that it started the day off at, we started the day off on Monday at $6.97. And then we ended the day off at $6.92. It basically traded sideways for that entire Monday. On Tuesday, we had a fun run up, right? So we started the day off on Tuesday at $6.96, went all the way up to about $7.23, I think was the highest that someone bought it for. And then by the end of the trading day, we ended at $7.04. So really just an 8-cent spread there of difference between the starting and ending price for the day. And so basically in a way, besides that initial spike, basically traded sideways, right? But today we saw some incredible upward mobility. We saw that consistency of that upward mobility dipping a little bit, but going right back up in the after hours. And so basically if you bought that dip right when the market closed and you rode that up into the after hours, you're probably doing pretty well for yourself, to be honest. When I see this, I'm like, hey, what's the price going to be in a couple days? Could it be above 8? Could it be 9 by next week or maybe even more? Are we experiencing a short squeeze or anything like that? I have no idea, right? So let's take a look and see what is on Twitter, what is going on. The first thing that I want to look at is this tweet right here. So he mentioned, and this is, let me get the time for you. This is May 26 at 1:22 p.m., right? So today at 1:22 p.m., we have this tweet that's saying short interest is 386 million. We got 54 million shares shorted. We got 49.03 of the float, and a little bit extra information there as well. That to me sounds something like, what we see in kind of like the AMC and GME, kind of those brother and sister stocks over there. And you're just like, is Clove going to be the next one? We saw other stocks like Virgin Galactic on Monday spike and stuff. And so there's a lot of movement. There's a lot of movement in the market on the stocks that, I'm particularly looking at. And this does seem pretty promising, especially with that short interest right there. Going to Yahoo Finance here, we can see that they do have a one-year target of $9.33. Maybe we'll be able to get to that next week, maybe even this week, I hope. That's the one-year target. We never know. Based off this, if we keep on going like this on Thursday, if we keep on going like this on Friday, we will be there, pretty dang quick, right? Lastly, the last thing I did is I looked at the news. I saw, I was trying to figure out what was out there. Was there anything big that was happening today? And the earliest or the last thing that I saw in the news was really this article about the Clover Health president saying we seek talent wherever we can find and recruit it. I think that's really good to hear, right? Number one, it's great for the stock, even if this is not a short squeeze. All the interest in trying to get people that are qualified to apply for this company would be great. Plus, we see that positive attitude by the president just helping out a lot. And to me, as someone that is a believer in this company as well, for the Clover Assistant, for the insurance that they offer and everything, and all the potential it has as well, I'm really interested to see how this thing flies and how it helps the company succeed in the future. So I think that was a lot of fun information. It was a great information that we got here from these articles. And especially the most fun information is this right here. Is a short interest going to move this into a squeeze or move it up even higher or anything like that? So we will just have to wait to see. Maybe we'll have more volume on Thursday. Maybe we will have more volume on Friday. We will just have to wait and see. But right now, as someone that comes from Ireland and my ancestry and everything, I do believe that we'll get a little bit lucky with this Clove stock. So let's hang in there and see where it goes. But yeah, if you like this tool that I'm using, this is Webull Desktop. I have a link down below. If you want to get a free stock from Webull, you can definitely click that link and get that free stock. I do need to let you know, though, I'm not a financial advisor. So please take everything I say with that grain of salt there. And really just for entertainment, just to keep up. Enthusiastic trader here looking at the stock over time. But I do hope for the best of this stock. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.